At Carepatron, we are constantly looking at ways to improve. If you have any feedback on how we can improve our videos and resources, please leave us a comment in the comment section below. In today's fast-paced healthcare environment, tools that streamline workflow and improve patient care are essential. The C-reactive protein level chart is one such tool helping clinicians manage inflammatory and infectious conditions. CRP, a protein produced by the liver in response to inflammation, is a key marker used to diagnose everything from viral infections to chronic autoimmune diseases. This chart is designed for a quick reference, making it easy to assess whether a patient's CRP levels are within normal ranges or if they require further investigation. It's especially useful in busy clinical settings where time is of the essence. How to use the CRP level chart. Download the chart. Start by downloading the most recent CRP level chart from our website, which you can find linked in the description below. You can also sign up for Carepatron for free and use it in-app. Conduct the CRP test. Perform a CRP blood test and record the results on the chart, noting the patient's name, age, and test date. Analyze the results. Compare the CRP levels to the benchmarks on the chart. Here are the benchmarks. Discuss and plan. Review the results with your patient, explaining what the levels mean. Depending on the findings, you may need to order further tests or start treatment. Schedule follow-ups. For patients with elevated CRP levels, set up a regular monitoring schedule to track treatment effectiveness and make any necessary adjustments. This chart is invaluable in various clinical scenarios such as routine health screenings, chronic inflammation monitoring, post-surgery recovery, heart disease risk assessment, infection diagnosis, and evaluating treatment responses. Understanding the CRP levels is key to effective patient care. Here is what each level means. The CRP level chart is a versatile tool, essential for early detection, ongoing monitoring, and evaluating the effectiveness of treatment for both acute and chronic conditions. Here is a sample of our C-reactive protein level chart to give you an idea of how you would use it in your practice. To discover more of our free templates, explore our templates library, which you can find on our Carepatron website, linked in the description below. Carepatron is a practice management software known for its comprehensive features. Signing up is free. Just click on the sign up link in the description. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to press the like and subscribe button for more content like this.